Hey babies, it's Joy Navon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my DIY press-ons at home. So first off, you want to start off on a clean surface. So I like to use a towel underneath me on my workspace just so that I don't make a mess and damage my furniture. So the first thing that you want to do is size your nails. I will link all of the products, all of the tools that I'm using down below in the description box, but I got these nails off of Etsy. I love them because they're already pre-shaped and cut. They are almond-shaped nails. So now I like to take my nail drill. This drill is not mandatory, but I like using a nail drill because it's just so much more convenient and so much easier for me to file the inside of my nails. So before you apply your nails or anything, you want to make sure that you file the inside, like I said, just so that it's easier for this type of a nail to stick to your natural nail. It's very smooth on the inside, so you want to get it kind of rough. If you don't have a nail drill, you can just use a nail file. Like I said, it might be harder for you to get into narrow sized areas on the nail, but you can definitely do it. I've done it before. So now I'm just going through and I'm filing the inside of all of the nails, and I'm putting them on my nail stand. It's the best way for me personally to do my nails because I'm able to do my nails on the stand first and just apply them later. So that way my nails always come out super neat, super clean. This is also great for someone who struggles with polishing their nails. So say you're right-handed and you can polish your left hand really, really well. But since you're not left-handed, you can't polish your right hand. And it always comes out messy and all over the place. This is the complete way to avoid that. You will never have to worry about your polish being messed up because you're doing it on a nail stand. So now I'm just taking my buffer, and I like to actually use a buffer for this as opposed to the drill. It's just easier and faster for me. I like to take each individual nail off of the stand and just buff around it because this is going to make it a lot easier for your base coat and everything to stick to the nail. I am not a nail tech, so maybe there's more reasons, or maybe there's a different reason as to why this is important, but this is what I do. So this is what I'm showing you guys. So now I'm going to use a base coat, and I'm just going to polish the nails with the base coat and cure them to dry. So now using my UV lamp, I'm just going to place the nail set in there. It takes about 1 minute and 30 seconds to dry, and then I'll take them out and move on to the polish. So for today's polish, I'm using Madam Glam's polish, and I love Madam Glam's polishes. I actually have a coupon code for you guys if you're interested in picking up some of their polishes. I will leave everything down below in the description box. Like I said, the name of the polish, just everything down below. So be sure to check the description box before you go. And for this process, I like to polish my nails and then let one set cure while I do the other set. So this makes everything go by super, super fast, and it's just really easy, super convenient for me. I usually like to do 2 coats as well of whatever polish that I'm using. So it's up to you and your preference whether you want, your polish to be really opaque. So after I'm finished with the polish, I'm just going to add my top coat. For today, I just wanted to add my top coat to 3 of my nails, and I wanted to add a matte coat to the other 2. So I'm using the Madam Glam Velvet Matte top coat, and I'm just adding that to my ring finger and my pinky finger. So for my nail glue, I'm using the Kiss Maximum Speed Bond glue. I love this glue. It's, for me, currently the best one that I've tried. And so now I'm just buffing my natural nails again, just so that I could get the surface a little bit gritty for the press-ons to stick to them better. You can also use a file or a nail drill for this. So now I'm taking the nail glue and I'm just going to start applying my press-ons. You want to take your time with this glue because this glue is definitely very strong and it is maximum speed, so it absolutely dries really fast. So just be sure that when you're placing your nail, you're placing it in the correct direction. It's not crooked or anything. You're placing it on straight, and yeah, you'll be good to go. So after that's done, I just like to take my nail file and file around my nails just to make sure that I get rid of any type of like harsh, pointy, rough edges around the press-on. And that is it. That is how I do my DIY press-on nails at home. Please let me know if you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and follow me on Instagram at joynavon for more nail designs. And until then, I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye.